acids that we have in our diet, it creates an imbalance that makes our body have what we call a pro-inflammatory state. And so inflammation, which normally protects us, becomes overly aggressive and causes tissue damage and joint pain and the things you've been hearing about. So Omega XL has been demonstrated to reduce inflammation and reduce pain associated with inflammation.
What is standard fish oil?
But your question is a really good one because most physicians who are recommending that their patients take fish oil don't know this. But fish oil, it's 18% EPA, 12% DHA, and that's a standard fish oil that contains very few other meaningful fatty acids that actually reduces inflammation. And then the extraction products yield something called free fatty acids. Fatty acids are more what we call bioavailable. So what that means is your body can immediately utilize that substance. It doesn't have to go through a lot of steps before it's absorbed.
So that is how that works.
The fatty acids are absolutely essential for your health. Omega XL is, omega-3 plus because it contains the 30 different fatty acids that are not contained in fish oil.
What are the difference?
This is really important for compliance. If a patient can't take the pill, then it's not going to benefit them.
Capsule is so small that it's so simple to swallow. You get most of these pills that have that are huge to take to swallow. It's very hard. But these the Omega XL capsules are very small, very easy to take.
Do you suffer from swelling or joint pain in your back, neck, knees, or joints? Has pain crippled your quality of life? Don't suffer another day. Find relief with Omega XL, now at the low price of only $39.95. This small, easy-to-swallow soft gel is a powerful, natural, anti-inflammatory, sourced from green-lipped mussels in the pristine waters of New Zealand. Omega XL can $39.95. And if you call right now, we'll include a second bottle of Omega XL absolutely free with your first order. Get relief from inflammation delivered right to your home. We're so confident in the effectiveness of Omega XL that we're offering a 90-day money-back guarantee. Live the life you deserve and get the relief you need at a special price of only $39.95. Omega XL is not sold in stores, so you must call now. She talked about that. The simple aches and pains of daily life. Let me grab that. Your hands. Millions and millions of people use computers every day for trading income. Or texting. There's more than millions of people, I had no idea, the gamers that play all these games on the internet, and the millions and millions of people causing carpal tunnel. Phones for young people, teenagers having phone problems, joint problems, restrictive nature, so they don't have inflammatory condition. Then you have people that are just people at night that like to do gardening, they're down on their knees, sometimes in damp dirt, and they have problems with their shoulders, and that means still like that. The whole body. If you ache, if you hurt, and you have pain,
It's hard, guys. It's hard. Sorry I wasn't talking for a bit. I was eating a little bit of pizza, so I told my brother to play. My bigger brother to play. So I guess we're talking. Wait, let me say something. Okay. So first I'm just going to show you how to play this game. I'm already good at this game, so I'm going to teach y'all. Do y'all got it? Thank you. Please subscribe and like it. I'm taking video, I guess, is gonna have to be over really early because it's almost time for my video to be over. And I know I haven't been talking. Okay. So that's it. Now we got a last edit. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost at the end. I'm not dying by the water. Not this time, water. You're not doing it. Nope. No! Okay, guys, it's time to end the video. I am so sorry. But if y'all really didn't like it, just like and subscribe. And I guess that'll help me. Okay? Oh yeah, and make sure to hit the notification. Smack that bell so hard as you can so I can get a billion. What's that? Oh, bells. And about subscribers, balance, and likes. Bye, guys.